Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Just have a small job to do today. Gotta squeeze down this pathway between these two houses, down a hill, across the deck. And it's just this row of cedars against this back fence line here. And there's a bit of a step there. It's gonna be too much to climb. So I'm gonna have to build a bit of a ramp, just have some wood here. Just gonna make a bit of a ramp and put a sheet of plywood across. And that should be good. It's not too high. And nice and easy with constant speed on the way down so I don't get caught on the lip there and tear off that little piece of trim. That worked out fine. And as soon as I was done those couple in the corner, I decided to go along the fence line for two reasons. One, it would just avoid shooting a lot of the dirt onto the grass. Instead, it would just go mostly in front and behind me. And I could do the whole fence line by just going straight and not having to keep repositioning the machine. The only thing I had to watch for was just to make sure I didn't get too close to the fence, or else the wheel would sort of try to climb up the side of the fence. And a lot of the time the hardest part of these jobs is just getting the machine in and out of the backyard. But everything went pretty smoothly with this job. There's no real problems. It went up and down the ramp fine. And the job itself went good. Looks a lot nice and clean there. They can have a garden and maybe plant some more trees, whatever they'd like. It's all set to go. And just try to leave things nice and clean when I go, and that's it. Well, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.